My name is Omar White, with co-founder of American Soda Brothers and Gourmet Barbecue Sauces. And we're here today to partner with Chuck's to launch our new cooking videos called Cooking with Papa Glen. So we're really excited about that. When it's time to eat and it's time to go down, Glen is the guy. Glen, we keep it all in the family. Glen is my father-in-law, and so we're ready to throw down. Glen got background from where? Cooking background?
Well, I grew up in Kansas. My mama was from Alabama, so I know Southern, I know Midwest, and I know how to cook beef. And then I lived in San Francisco for about 30 years. So with all of that in there, I kind of got all kind of little exotic tastes. But today, we're going to talk about something basic that's good for a nice little quick, good, nice meal for the holidays.
Yeah. Maybe it's going to be a great job. We're going to use some Jamaican rum today.
A little Jamaican rum, but at the end, just put a little spice on it,
All right. So I'm going to move out the way with Glen. When it's time to throw down with ribs or anything like that, Papa Glen is the man.
Cool.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
All right.
Yeah, well, today we're going to do a ribeye roast and some vegetables and a tossed green salad. It should take you no more than about an hour and a half for all the preparation and cooking, and within 2 hours everything is ready to go. My father was a Navy cook, and he always said, "Be quick and be efficient. Make a meal that can stick to your ribs, but don't take all day to do it." So this is how we're going to do it.
Thank you guys for joining us. A wrap right now. We got the first meal done in our first show here, first video, Cooking with Papa Glen. You guys, it smells good, the food is delicious, but hey, you can check us out on our Facebook, Instagram, and the video is going to be on our website with details of all what you have done and cooked, right?
Right, well, we have a medium rare ribeye roast, we have a vegetable medley, and we have a tossed green salad with a little sprinkling of blue cheese. A meal that only takes about an hour and a half to make.
And it smells good, too.
And it's just an absolute delicious meal.
Smells good, tastes good. You're talking about some leftovers you can do with this mustard right here, right?
Nothing like roast beef and some of your mustard. Slip down to the fridge around about
Can't wait, y'all.
at night. Woo! I tell you, it might even be against the law to do it because it tastes so good.
Wow, I can't wait, you guys. But thank you for joining us. We appreciate your time. Look for more videos coming. Cooking with Papa Glen.
My pleasure.